Hi, this is Michael, and this is a review of the Elittle N10 Balance Bike. It's for 3 to 6 year olds up to 75 pounds. It's really well made, super fun to ride, and very easy and fast to put together. This accelerated video shows you how fast it goes together, but I'm going to give you all the details right now. All right, putting this thing together is pretty easy. First of all, when you look at the bike, you look at the front where the handlebar stem is going to go, you'll notice on the bottom and the top there are two metal bearing cups. That's where you're going to place the bearings. Now, the bottom part of the bracket has three pieces that you need to put in before you put the handlebar stem in. So you'll notice that the bearings, they are visible on the one side, and then on the other side they are flat. You want to put the ball side down into the cup. And then there is a second piece, which is sort of a plastic spacer, and it has a smaller diameter inner little ring there. That part goes down into the bearing cup. And then you've got a metal ring. Again, the smaller diameter drops into the bearing cup. And then get your front wheel and put the stem through what you just put together there. Now sort of hold it together so it doesn't fall out when you tip it over. Now once you tip it over, we're going to basically do the same thing on the top, except we have four pieces to work with. So here's our bearings. The bearings go down into the cup. Then we have that little plastic spacer, and again the smaller diameter part of it goes down. And then we have that metal ring. Again, the smaller diameter part goes down. And then one final piece, this is sort of another spacer that just takes up the extra space between the stem and all the other pieces that we put in there. So you just need to sort of make sure it gets snugged in there. Now, you'll notice there's three notches in the stem, and there's also three bumps on the inside of the handlebar. So basically, you just want to line up those bumps with the slots, and then you're going to use the bolt with the washer and just tighten the handlebar onto the stem using the hex wrench. And you want to make it nice and snug, but again, don't over tighten because you don't want to risk stripping these threads. So now we are ready to let our kid ride the balance bike.
Okay, do it again. Go really close tomorrow. So now I'm going to have to reschedule.
I really like this. It's a very visible color. It's lightweight, it's durable. Rubber hand grips. There's really nothing that can go wrong with this. It's so simple in operation. The handlebars can spin 360 degrees around. You do have the adjustable height for the saddle. You've got the foot pegs for the child to put their feet on as they're coasting. And the only maintenance really is to keep your tire pressure at the proper pressure. If you can't remember what the pressure is, just look on the side of the tire. It's stamped right on the side. 22 to 36 pounds of air go in these tires. You can either use a hand pump that you might have at home already, or you can just run down to the gas station and put a little bit of air in here. So that is it. Really like this little Elittle N10 balance bike. Again, it's designed for kids about 3 years of age up to a maximum of about 6, and you don't want to put more than 75 pounds on this little bike. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions about the Elittle N10 balance bike, just leave me a comment down below and I'll answer it if I can. Otherwise, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.